What if I told you that living frugally could completely change your life and your wallet in just 30 days? Sounds extreme, right? Well, I did it, and the results shocked me. Not only did I save a ton of money, but I also uncovered a secret that made the whole process so much easier. Stick around because I'm sharing the three biggest lessons I learned and how you can start your own journey with a little help from my free budgeting template. Here is the backstory. A few months ago, I found myself wondering where all my money was going. Sound familiar? Every time I got paid, it felt like I was broke before the end of the month. I wasn't living extravagantly, but somehow I had no savings to show for it. That's when I decided enough was enough. I set out to live frugally for 30 days to see if it will make a difference. But here is the key. I started by using a budgeting template to track every single penny. The first step in my frugal living journey was figuring out where my money was going. I used my free budgeting template to track every expenses, down to the last kobo. I challenged myself to cut all unnecessary spending. No takeout, no online shopping, no luxury coffee or smoothies. My goal was simple: spend only on the essentials. If you want to try this for yourself, you can grab the same template for free by joining my newsletter at jp@2ae.com/newsletter. It's linked in the description and comment section. Here is the hard truth I discovered. I was wasting a lot of money on things I didn't even need. For example, I realized I have 5 streaming subscriptions and I only used one. Canceling the rest saved me 50,000 naira a month instantly. But the real challenge? Social pressure. Saying no to friends or explaining why I wouldn't go out to dinner was awkward at first. That's where the budgeting templates came in handy. It helped me prioritize and stay disciplined. Here's where it gets good. After 30 days, I saved over 250,000 naira without feeling deprived. But what really shocked me was the mindset shift. I realized that spending less wasn't just about saving money, it was about living more intentionally. And the best part, using the budgeting template made the process so much easier. Most people find using the template straightforward. However, some need additional help using it. If you need additional help with the template, I've got you covered. I created a step-by-step course that walks you through how to use it effectively so you can start saving right away. So what did I learn? Here are my top 3 lessons from living frugally. Number 1, track every penny. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to controlling it. Number 2, prioritize needs over wants. The coffee and streaming services weren't necessities. Number 3, frugal living doesn't mean no fun. I found creative ways to enjoy life, like cooking instead of expensive dinners. Now here is the exciting part. Anyone can do this. Frugal living isn't about deprivation. It's about making smarter choices. If you're ready to take control of your finances, here's my challenge. Try frugal living for just 30 days. Track your spending using my budgeting templates and make intentional choices and see the difference for yourself. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's one thing you will cut back on to save money? Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and hit subscribe for more tips on wealth creation and financial freedom. See you next time.